Construct the following angles using ruler and compasses. Write the steps of construction in each case. What is the first one given? 75 degrees. So 75 degrees, you have to construct an angle using ruler and compass. Don't use the protractor. Okay. You have to construct with compass. 75 degrees. First, all of you take the scale, pencil, draw a ray. Any measurement you have to take, draw a ray. Okay. So here I have to put here O. This is A. OA. I draw a ray OA. Next, taking O as center. Taking O as center. Take any radius more than half. Okay. Now you have to draw an arc like this. Okay, ma? You have to draw an arc like this. Take any radius more than half. Draw a arc like this. Same radius with a same radius. You have to put the here. See, this ray and this arc will be intersected here. No, so you have to put the point here B. B. Okay. Same radius where you have to take here radius. Same radius you have to take it. Keep it on B. Draw an arc. Okay. Now here see, these two arcs will be intersected here now. So you have to put the point here C. Okay. Again, same with the same radius. Keep it on C. Again draw an arc like this. Okay. Now here these two arcs will be intersected here now. You have to put the point here D. Okay. Next, what you have to do? Draw ray OE passing through C. So you have to join this like this. So you have to put the ray here E. And next, join this line like this. Draw a ray like this. Here you have to put F. This is OE, this is OF. Next, taking C and D as center with radius more than half. See here, C. Take the radius more than half. Okay. Now, draw an arc like this. Same radius with C and D. Draw an arcs. Okay. Now here, these 2 points are these 2 arcs will be intersected here. Now you have to put the point here P. Now join OP. OP. Okay. Now this angle AOP, how many degrees will get here? See, 90 degrees will get. See here, 90 degrees will get. Okay. Next, mark point Q, where OP intersects with arc. See here, this ray and this arc will be intersected here now. So you have to put the point here Q. Taking Q and C as center with radius more than half. So Q and C, take the more than half radius. Draw an arc with Q like this. And C also same radius. Draw an arc. Okay. Now here these 2 arcs will be intersected here now. Put the point here R. Now join the line OR. Okay. Now check with protractor how many degrees will get. See here, 75 degrees will get. See here, angle AOR. See here, 70, 75. 75 degrees will get it now. 75 degrees. Please check it. Here see 70, 75 degrees. So it will get 75 degrees. So you have to draw here 75 degrees. Did you understand how to construct? Again I will tell. Listen carefully. First, you have to draw a ray OA. Any measurement you have to take. Draw a ray OA. Okay. Next, what you have to do? Take the compass, keep it on O. Take the more than half radius. Okay. Take the more than half radius and draw an arc like this. Big arc. You can draw big arc like this. Okay. Now here this arc and this ray will be intersected here. Now you have to put the point here B. Next, same radius where you have to take the O as OB radius. That radius only you have to keep it on B compass and draw an arc like this. We will get the this arc and this arc will be intersected here now. So you have to put the point here C. Next, same radius, keep it on C compass and again draw an arc D. Here, this arc and this arc will be intersected here now. So you have to put the point here D. Okay, ma? Did you understand? Next, take the scale, join these lines O, E, ray and O, F, ray. Draw a line, join the lines. And next, take the compass, keep it on C and take the more than half radius CD, more than take half radius and keep it on compass and C, draw an arc like this. And same radius, keep it the compass on D, again draw an arc like this. Now here see, these two arcs will be intersected here now, so you have to put the point here P. Now join OP. Okay, so it will get 90 degrees. Next, what you have to do? See here, this arc and this ray will be intersected here now. So you have to put the point Q. Next, take the compass. Take the compass, keep it here compass and take the radius more than half between Q and C. More than half take the radius and from Q draw an arc like this and same radius keep it on C, draw an arc like this. Okay, now the two arcs will be intersected here now. So keep the point R. Again, draw a ray like this. Join the OR. Then take the protractor, measure it. How many angles will get it? See here. Exactly 75 degrees will get. 75 degrees will get. Okay, na? So angle AOR, how many degrees? 75 degrees. Will get now 75 degrees? Like that you can do. Okay, right. Do it first. Put the heading steps. Write these steps. Hmm. Right. 75. It will get now. First point. What is the first point? Draw a ray OA. Next, taking O as center and any radius, draw an arc cutting OA at B. Now, with B as center, write the steps. Now, with B as center and same radius as before, draw an arc intersecting the previously drawn arc at point C. Now, with C as center and same radius, draw another arc intersecting the previously drawn arc at point D. Draw ray OE passing through C and ray OF passing through D. Thus, angle AOE is equal to 60 degrees and angle EOF is equal to 60 degrees. Okay, ma? Is it clear now? Okay, now? Is it clear now? Yes.